Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's DIY, we will be needing one large floral foam, one large glass candle holder, two smaller glass candle holders, some floral wire, some burlap ribbon of your choice, a pair of scissors, a glue gun, some extra glue sticks, two tapered candles, one pillar candle, the flowers of your choice, and a pair of wire cutters, and that's it, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue the glass candle holders with a generous amount of the hot glue. And I'm going to place the two smaller ones on either end of the floral foam. And then I'm going to place the large one center in the middle. And then I will press down for a few seconds so that it's good and secure. So now I take the burlap ribbon and I start forming 6-inch bows. So I just realized that I am out of the burlap ribbon and I needed at least 2 more bows, but you want to have at least 8 to 12 and I have 6, but luckily it ended up looking good in the end and I pull it off pretty well. I might end up fixing it later and, you know, sticking a couple more bows in there. But for now, we will just make sure and have plenty of ribbon for the future. And I went ahead and used this polka dot burlap. I thought it was so cute and feminine. And I just happen to really love polka dots, but they've got a ton of different varieties that you guys can use in colors. So as you guys can see, I am twisting the ends of the burlap ribbon tightly and then wrapping them with the floral wire. And originally I was going to add at least 10 of the bows to the floral foam. As you can see, there's 10 little black marks there on the foam, and that is where I was going to place each ribbon before I realized that I had ran out. So now I take my glue gun and I apply a generous amount to the ends where the floral wire is, and I just press down there for a few seconds, and just be really careful because I did burn myself and it was really painful. So now I'm ready to start picking the flowers that I want to use, and I was really unorganized. I ended up running out of the real deep golden colored daisies, I guess those are. And so I had 3 daisies on one side, and then I had to use a different colored flower on the other side, so it was, you know, I didn't have an equal amount on either side, but it ended up working anyway. But just for the future, make sure you guys know exactly what flowers you're going to want to use, and make sure you have an equal amount for either side of the arrangement. So now I am cutting each flower, and you want to leave at least like maybe a 3 to 4 inch stem, just so that you have plenty of area to work with, and so that you have plenty of room to stick the flower into the foam. You don't want to cut it down too short. So now I'm ready to start sticking my flowers in. I start from the center and work my way outward and then over to the other side. Just have fun with it, you guys. If you're new to this, practice makes perfect. So just, you know, have fun, and you can always add more later or change it up at any point. Just make sure you guys stick to a pattern, because that just makes it all the more easy. And it's your centerpiece. Have fun with it. So I am making sure to cover every inch of the green floral foam with a flower. That way the green does not show through. I think that they have these floral foams in white, which would have been my preference, but my Dollar Tree did not have them in white, so I just kind of had to make do with the green. So for the future, if you can find these floral foams in white, I would definitely get it in that color. So I ended up cutting the pumpkin stems down too short, and it was making it hard for me to get them to stick down into the foam. So just another reminder, you want to leave the stems at least 4 to 5 inches long so that you guys don't run into this problem. So what do you think, you guys? I know I'm impressed. This centerpiece was so easy and fun, not to mention cheap to make, that I am totally inspired to make more. If you guys would like to see more of these types of videos, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. I also do cleaning, organization, decluttering, and mommy videos. So I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you're notified each time my videos are uploaded. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to get to know my subscribers. Let me know what you think about the centerpiece, or if you plan on making one yourself or possibly gifting one. Visit my website at fairandorganized.com. Follow me on Instagram under Supermama of 7. And I want to thank you again for watching this video. And there will be many more like this in the future. So don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye.